Explorer, this is Houston.
Go ahead, Houston.
Mission abort. Repeat. Mission abort.
Explorer, this is Kowalski confirming visual contact with debris. Debris is from a BSC SAT. Repeat. I have it ready.
Dr. Stone requesting faster transport.
We have to go. We have to go. Go, go.
Reports meteorological conditions. Go.
Houston, Explorer, copy. Explorer, Dr. Stone requesting faster transport to Bay Area. Explorer, do you copy?
Explorer, permission to retrieve Dr. Stone.
Your go, Houston, Explorer, copy.
All right.
We've lost Houston. Lost Houston.
Look, we need to get the hell out of here. Need some help there, man? No, don't wait for us.
It's stuck.
Man down!
Houston,
Man down!
Explorer, copy.
Astronaut is off structure. Dr. Stone is off structure. Dr. Stone is attacked. Must be attacked. Don't detach that arm going to carry you too far. Listen to my voice. You need to focus. I'm losing visual of you. In 3 seconds I won't be able to track you. You need to detach. I can't see you anymore. Do it now. Houston, I've lost visual, Dr. Stone.